Hey guys, Nate here with the 99 Outdoors. Today, we're here at the Blue River in Tishomingo, Oklahoma for episode 4 of Oklahoma Runs Deep. Today, we're gonna be exploring waterfalls, hanging out with Willow, and swimming.
Oh, holy crap.
How'd you get up here? What the heck? Oh wow, a rope swing. Well, I think we already know we're going to be doing this. You guys see them right there. No cottontail blended in perfect.
So long, Screwy. See you in St. Louis.
All right, you guys, we have made it to the Desperado Springs Trailhead. Come check it out. There is bugs everywhere out here. I'm just getting swarmed right now. I think they're flies. Oh, they keep touching me. Take a bag. Where are they at? I think there's supposed to be bags over there. Unless it's inside. Okay, you guys, we've gotten our bag. We're gonna do some cleanup while we're here today, because why not? So me and Willow have come to a consensus, and we think that you should subscribe if you're not already. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna get up there. I'm gonna get to the top of that rock. That was pretty cool. Let's keep going. So look what I found. Pretty cool. I found some Osage oranges, I believe. Osage orange, Osage apple. I don't know, I think it's Osage orange. That's pretty cool. Here is the Ankle Roller Supreme 10,000. Come on, girl. There you go. You make it look easy. The first piece of trash I see is a tire. I don't think that piece of trash is going to fit in the bag, unfortunately. Is this fishing pole? Huh. Well, how about that? Picking up some trash. Pretty overgrown, so hopefully I make it. Kobe.
That one goes down.
Well, all right, you guys, we have made it to Desperado Springs. Check this out. Random thought crossed my mind. What if that fishing reel was expensive and I just threw it away? Oops. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Look at you. Wow. I have no idea. Hey, you. Oh God, they're so. I have no idea what that is. Well, I don't know what that thing is, but I know it's scary. I don't know. I'm just gonna go this way. You don't mind me at all. All right, buddy. Don't mind. We're out of here. Good thing I'm keeping an eye open. Well, fortunately, guys, we didn't really find, well, any trash except for that fishing reel. But I guess we'll go ahead and put this back since we didn't find any trash. Come on. Whew. Dang, it is cold, y'all. Look at this girl. What are you smelling? Alright, here we go, guys. It's okay. I gotcha. Alright. See? Daddy's got you. Alright. There we go. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is another instance of me driving along and seeing something cool and stopping. I don't know where they're at. Here they are. Ugh. I have no idea what kind of mushroom that is. But that is super cool looking. And then there's more. Look at these. What the heck are these things? If you know what those are, let me know in the comments. Well, you guys, it looks like our partner in crime today is, she's a little tired. Sweet girl. I'm gonna let her take a nap and then we're jumping in that water! Sorry. Wow, this is gorgeous. What's up, baby? Is it hot? You ready to swim right in the middle of my... You can watch her cross. 'Cause I like that. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go back up. Alright, you guys. I think it's time. I think it's time we get in that water. But first, we're going in that cave. You're such a good girl. You having fun? I really want to go to one of those two spots. Wait. We're on top of the cave right now. Alright.
Hi. What are you doing?
Yo, guys. The cave. Whoa. Holy crap. Baby girl, come here. You gotta come in here. Come on. Not too bad, is it? We can just hang out.
You shake it off, girl.
Let's keep going. Come on. Go ahead. There you go. Good girl. Watch out. There's a big hole right there, okay? All right. I got you. I got you. Come on. It's okay. All right, you guys, we are all done here at the waterfall. Now we're headed off to the rope swing. Poor big girl is worn the heck out. Are we done swimming today, baby? Yeah, all right. Well, you guys, it looks like our next stop is just gonna be a showcase instead of us hopping in. Don't go anywhere. Can we swim just a little more? Just a little more. Fine. All right, let's go. Also, I can't do the rope swing because somebody is fishing right in front of it.
Let me finish my cigarette.
I'm good. So this is the difference between 6 a.m. and noon. All right, you guys, that's been the Blue River. We are headed off to a secret location. I will see you guys there. Come on, girl. Well, I can't lie, man. I think that this would have been a great spot to swim. You alright? Alright, you stay. Dang. This water is so clear, you guys. How'd you get up here? What the heck? You're too cool. Dang. Is that a big old carp down there? Holy moly. Woo! Almost got you. All right, come on, pretty girl. You hot? I'm walking on riverbed right now. Pretty cool. Check that out. Y'all remember the underwater shot I got? Girl. Probably should have put on sunscreen before doing this. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my dogs, man. You watch out for your turtle. That's yours. You're curious about what it is, huh? Oh wow, there's some big bass in here. Maybe I should have fished here instead. Dang, you can see them down there. Well, girl, you ready to go home? I think it's time. Ready? All right, you guys. This has been episode 4 of Oklahoma Runs Deep, the Blue River, and Pennington Creek. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next week. Peace. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit subscribe and check out the channel for plenty of other videos just like this one. Thank you.